Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 4th of July 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 4th of July. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which Indian state has formed a dedicated commission to create employment opportunities for the migrant laborers? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Name the winner of the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis Award in Official Statistics 2020 for Lifetime Achievement by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Answer is C. Rangarajan. Which state in India has launched rupees 1,369 crore online cash aid initiative at one click for MSME and textile industries? Answer is Gujarat. What is the theme of 2020's National Doctors Day? Answer is lessen the mortality of COVID-19. Fifth question was, 1st July is the formation day of which of the following banks? Answer is SBI. SBI was formed on 1st of July 1955. Next question was, who has been honored with India's Most Valuable Player of 21st Century by Wisden recently? Answer is Ravindra Jadeja. Which portal has been launched by the MSME Ministry for MSME registration recently? Answer is Udyam. What is the amount that was provided by World Bank to India for MSME Emergency Response Program? Answer is $750 million. Ninth question was, which of the following day is celebrated as National Postal Workers Day? Answer is June 1st. 10th question was, which of the following bank has recently launched e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers all over India? Answer is HDFC Bank. Next question was, which state government has launched e-Granthalaya or e-library for connecting libraries of the state government, universities and colleges? Answer is Uttarakhand. And last question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day? Answer is July 2nd. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following institutions has recently launched Accelerate Vigyan scheme? Answer is option number 1, SERB. Recently, SERB, that is the Scientific and Engineering Research Board, has launched a new scheme called Accelerate Vigyan, and this scheme will provide a single platform for research, internship, capacity building programs and workshop across the country. The objective of the scheme is to encourage high-end scientific research and prepare scientific manpower which can lead towards research careers and knowledge-based economy. Answer will be option number 1, SERB. SERB, long form is Science and Engineering Research Board. It is a statutory body under the Department of Science and Technology of Government of India. It has been set up for promoting basic research in science and engineering and to promote financial assistance to scientists, academic institutions, R&D, laboratories, industrial concerns and other agencies for such research. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, which of the following organizations has released a report titled Towards a Clean Economy along with Rocky Mountain Institutions, that is RMI, recently? Answer is option number 3, Niti Aayog. Recently, Niti Aayog has released a report called Towards a Green Economy Post COVID-19 Opportunities for India's Energy and Mobility Sector, and it was jointly launched by Niti Aayog and Rocky Mountain Institution to support India's clean energy. What is Rocky Mountain Institute? It is an organization in the United States dedicated to research, publication, consulting and lecturing in the general field of stability with the special focus on profitable innovation for energy and resource efficiency. Answer will be option number 3, Niti Aayog. Long form of Niti is National Institute for Transforming India. It was formed on 1st of January 2015. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. President is Prime Minister, currently Narendra Modi. Vice Chairman or Vice President is Rajiv Kumar and CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. Next question, what will be India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2021-22, that is next financial year, as estimated by Fitch Ratings? Answer is option number 3, 8%. Fitch Ratings. Fitch Ratings, it is an American credit rating agency, and recently Fitch Rating has released a report called Global Economic Outlook, and in this report Fitch Rating has lowered India's growth forecast for next financial year, that is 2021-22, as 8%. Earlier in the last month it was predicted as 9.5%, and it has been lowered due to the lockdown imposed to prevent the outbreak of COVID-19. Answer will be option number 3. Next, Rajkiran Rai ji is the managing director, that is MD and CEO of which bank? Answer is option number 1, Union Bank of India. And recently, Government of India has extended his term as the managing director and chief executive officer, that is CEO of Union Bank of India, by 2 years till May 21, 2022. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as National Chartered Accountants Day? Answer is option number 2, July 1st. Every year, July 1st is celebrated in India as National Chartered Accounts Day. The day marks the establishment of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in 1949 on July 1st. And this year it is the 73rd National Chartered Accountants Day. Answer will be option number 2. Next question, name the person who recently has stepped down from the post of chairman of International Cricket Council, that is ICC. Answer is option number 1, Shashank Manohar. Shashank Manohar was the chairman of ICC, and recently he has stepped down as the International Cricket Council chairman after heading the sports global governing body, that is ICC, for 4 years. Second option is Imran Khwaja. Imran Khwaja was the vice chairman of ICC, and recently he has been elevated as the interim chairman until the process of next chairman election is finalized. Answer will be option number 1. Third option is Manu Sahni. Manu Sahni is the CEO of ICC, and Saurabh Ganguly is the president of BCCI. Well, what is ICC? Long form of ICC is International Cricket Council. It is a world governing body of cricket. It was founded on 15th of June 1909. Its headquarters is in Dubai, which is in UAE. Currently, chairman is Imran Khwaja and CEO is Manu Sahni. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as International Plastic Bag Free Day? Answer is option number 4, July 3rd. Every year, July 3rd is celebrated as International Plastic Bag Free Day to raise awareness about very real and pressing issue of plastic pollution of environment. It was created as the worldwide initiative for the sole purpose of getting rid of single-use plastic bags around the world. It is about promoting environmental conservation by encouraging all to stay away from the use of plastic bags and opt for the eco-friendly alternatives. Answer will be option number 3, July 3rd. Next question, the Kerala state government has launched Dream Kerala project for dash. Answer is option number 4, expatriate. Recently, state government of Kerala on July 2nd, 2020 has launched a project called Dream Kerala project to tap the potential and experience of those returning from foreign nations and other states after losing their jobs due to COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 4, expatriate. What is expatriate? Expatriate is a person residing in a country other than their native country. In common uses, the term often refers to professional, skilled workers or artists taking position outside their home country, either independently or sent abroad by their employers. This project has been launched by Kerala. Look at the map. This is Kerala. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Governor is Arif Mohammed Khan and Chief Minister of Kerala is P. Vijayan. Next question. My Home, My School scheme has been launched by which state government to give students school-like environment at home to continue academic activities? Answer is option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has launched Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalay or My Home, My School scheme for students, and the scheme will maintain academic regularity of the students during the coronavirus lockdown, and the new online education scheme will start from 6th of July 2020 and will create school-like environment in home. Answer will be option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, this is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Governor is Lalji Tandon and Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next, the world's first ever online BSc degree program in data science and programming has been launched by which of these Indian institutions? Answer is option number 4, Indian Institute of Madras, that is IIT Madras. Recently, the Indian Institute of Madras or IIT Madras has become the first IIT in the country to offer an online bachelor degree in programming and data science. According to IIT Madras Director Bhaskar Ramamurthy, the online program will produce graduates who will be employable in the sector that presently has high demands. Answer is option number 4. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, Rajesh Shukla has been appointed as the 5th Lokayukta of which state recently? Answer is option number 2, Gujarat. Recently, retired High Court Judge Rajesh Shukla has been appointed as the 5th Lokayukta of Gujarat. The Lokayukta is an anti-corruption organization in the Indian states. Maharashtra was the first state to introduce the institution of Lokayukta through the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta Act in 1971. And this was followed by the similar acts that were enacted by the states of Odisha, Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Delhi. Answer will be option number 2, Gujarat. Gujarat, this is Gujarat, capital is Gandhinagar, Governor is Acharya Devrutt and Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Now today's question is, the center has announced extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till which month? Options are August 2020, October 2020, November 2020 and December 2020. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video. Also, you can download PDF file of this video from our Telegram channel. Link is provided in the description box below.